So next you want to pull the wheel liner, and so you'll remove the cross point screw here and the cross point screw here. It's on the back side of the fender, and then you basically just push the whole wheel liner out that way. Okay, so to remove the fender badge here, there is some adhesive on the back side. You can take some fishing line and go through it. You can use some lighter fluid down in there. I just want to show you on the back side of the fender, since we have the lining off, you can see how this goes in and how easy it is really to take off if you just push it back out the other way. And so that might be worth it to take off the fender lining, and then you'll have your residue here like this that you'll need to eat away at. It is just a gluey sticky tape type thing, but that's how you can remove the emblem without really messing up the fender. Then this turtle wax bug and tar remover works real well on the microfiber rag. You can really get that cleaned up, but there will be the factory hole here and then the guide pin as well hole. So you have two holes that you'll need to either cover up or have filled in, or just put your new badge over that, but that's what it looks like.